So the background is Jen Hadfield's Hey Hello, Happy Day. And I decided that I'm going to use this one as my background. And then I'm going to add white gesso where my picture is going to go, just to kind of soften up the background a little bit. Because to me it's the florals are bright and very busy. So. So there was an evening I was by myself, everybody left, so I went and said, hey, let me scrapbook and I'll have a glass of white wine. So those are cards that those are die cuts. The cards are cut from a cut apart sheet from a past kit. So here I'm just gonna rub this on, smudge it all over with my fingers. And that just kind of softens everything in the middle and then just leaves them along this. Alrighty. So I thought about using those and I'm like, no. So I kept these die cuts to the side as I was doing other layouts. I was like, this can be for this one, this can be used up for that one. Because this month's kit July kit, came with a lot of girly stuff. It was Kate Nash, and it was lipstick and that sort of stuff, like shopping. So I wanted to use it with my picture of my niece. Oh, that's my husband's hands. He was trying to pet Theo to get him to go. He was in there talking to me. Oh, he was showing me the brochure. Because in the meantime, they come back. They went to Mount Dora. So they were bothering me, so I had to quit scrapbooking and I'd come back. So this is another day. Wow, what a difference in lighting. I have my fan light on versus my alt light. And I would change changing our bulbs to white light, the daylight bulbs, instead of the soft white, because everything's more yellow. Alright, so my chipboard is Simple Stories Kate Nash. Sweet, So Sassy. I'm going to do and, so it's sweet and just so sassy, but the sweet so sassy is Simple Stories Kate Nash foam stickers, and the word and is Pink Fresh Studio My Favorite Story from a past kit. I like it when they're all, and then lips. And then I just put the word and down, and that is going to, and since I already have most of my towel down, I know where and's going to go. I don't put it on wax paper first. And that completes my layout. So when I'm all done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.